Okay, guys, so when you go to paint, I use cool colors, so I'm going to use warm color paint. So I take my brush, and I put a drop of paint in the red, a drop in the orange, and a drop in the yellow. Now, if you were using if you had warm colored crayons, you would use green, blue, and this is purple next to the brown, believe it or not, okay? So, the next step, the reason I was telling you about these is because normally you would put a drop in each one and count to 20, okay? Why? Because it lets, with watercolor paint, you have to put water in the color so you can make paint, okay? And I don't know if you can see that, but then I take my brush, I spin my brush on the side, right? Know what I mean, Ava? Okay, now watch. When I paint, I'm going to paint over top, and look, my colors come through. Okay? So I'm going to use red for the top, but I'm not just going to use regular red. Watch what I'm going to do when I'm done. For fun. Oops. There's the cleanup bell. Hold on. And if you get a little bit on the table, that's okay. Shh, guys. Okay? And guys, here's the other thing. I want you to paint, listening up, I want you to paint in one direction. Okay, so there's my red. There was another piece of paper underneath there. Now, to make it look really cool, I'm going to take some orange, and I'm really going to load up my brush with orange, and I'm going to do some orange stripes on top. Now look, when I did my orange stripes on top, guys, when I did my orange on top, I only did 3 stripes because I don't want to paint the whole thing in. I want to be able to see the red and the orange. I might go into the orange here and add a little bit right here to make it kind of stick out a little bit more. Okay? So it kind of looks like taffy a little bit. Okay? And now on the bottom, I will paint the bottom. I may mix it. I'll get that yellow. I'll clean out that yellow by dipping my brush in there and scooping it out. See how I cleaned out the yellow that way? Okay? And I'll do the same thing with the yellow on the bottom, and I'll do red stripes on the yellow. Okay? All right.